Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix send and receive iMessage phone number loading on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to enable your iMessage, but you're facing the issue that your send and receive phone number is stuck on loading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just simply open your settings app here. Just go to apps and here just look for messages app and you just have to try to enable this toggle. If you have already enabled but stuck on this, so you can try to disable and enable it up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with the iMessage. So once you have done, you have to check if it's fixed or not, or you can try to wait for almost 1 or 2 minutes here. So if you're still facing the same issue, it's gonna stuck on this, just go back and just go to general, go to software update. You just have to make sure that your software is up to date. Now, once you updated your software, just go back. You can try to disable your iMessage, then make a force restart. So after restarting, enable that again. Just disable your iMessage, then quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here you have to go to your settings here, go to apps, look for iMessage here or the messages app and you just have to retry to enable your iMessage and to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed or if it's still not fixed issue, so you can go to your general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset all settings when the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. So after resetting your all settings, you will not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone send and receive has been stuck on loading. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.